Welcome back to another video. So as you see, I'm in the apple catcher game. I just changed the title. Now I'm gonna make it possible to win or lose. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna paint costume. We're going to write the text "You lose and you win" here. So you lose. Then let's just center it. Then duplicate it. You win. And then you can add an exclamation mark. So now, when green flag clicked, you want to hide. So now, I'm actually going to do something. I'm going to just paint a costume, putting the blue sky here. So now I'm just going to remove the ground here, and then this I'm just going to put it to 0, 0. So now here we don't need anything else but the ground. So now go to the apple sprite. So you want to add another if statement. So let's just name this the ground. So ground. So if the apple is touching the ground, then we want it to change score by this time minus, how about -1? And then I'm gonna go here, go to control, forever, and if then else, and if then put in the else. So grab two operators. So grab a larger than, two larger than operators. So put score in both of them. So, wait, actually, no, score needs to be on this side. So, if 1 is bigger than score, then, wait, let's just call it lose, and then we can call this win. Okay. So if 1 is bigger than score, then we want to show and switch costume to lose. Else, if score is bigger than, for simple amount, let's say, no, yeah, 13. How about 13? So if score is, no, how about, yeah, just 10. Score is bigger than 10, then we also want to show, but this time we're switching the costume to win. So now we also want to add a stop all, or else the apples will keep on falling. So let's try it out. Wait, that's one thing you need to do. So the problem is now it's when you start, you have to score at 0 over here. And here it says if 1 is bigger than score. So let's just start it at 3. Yeah, let's just, no, you know what? Let's start score at 0. And if 0 is bigger than score, then show. So now wait, we also want to add the delete this clone after ground too. Let's try it. wait, and then we also need to wait until it is not touching ground, or else, as you saw, like it changes score by -1 too many times. So let's try again. Yay, it works. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, remember to like and subscribe.